Family over trap house jumping. And can tell me, hey, pow, what's going on, man? It's your boy Pit Moss. It's been a little while since I've been on here. Do want to apologize to the YouTube family, but I wanted to get on here and do something a little different. Now I know this is something you know, not everybody does, but I do want to jump on here after certain trades and just kind of give y'all some source a little bit. I wanted to do a breakdown on today's trade on US 30. And let's get right to it, man. I don't want to make this video too long. I want to make it nice, short, and sweet. I'm going to give you guys my breakdown to everything. I mean, if you're a part of my Discord, I'm going to put that link down below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and if you want to get money with me, I do give out signals. Link's going to be down below. But yeah, let's get right to it. I'm going to explain everything from like my confluences to why I took the trade, what I was waiting for, where my setup was, right? Pretty much 0 to 100. I'm gonna explain everything down, break it down for you on today's trade, which we caught over 90 pips and the play is still fucking getting smashed, you know what I'm saying? Well, now it gave it all back, but after a call was done, it got smashed and some. So let's look at the screen real quick. Wow. Let's zoom in just so y'all can see what it is going on. Right, so as you can see, we got US 30 here on the 5-minute time frame, right? Let's zoom a little bit out. Let's look at the 30, right? So on the 30, we can see that US 30 was creating this demand, right? This floor here, right around 35410, and now my broker that I utilize on TradingView is Oanda. So if you are looking at US 30 following this video, just know that's what I use, is Oanda. So it was building this demand zone, right? We had multiple wicks here. Every time we came here, we bounced up, came here, bounced up, left wicks to the downside, right? Bounced up, wicks. So as market opened, this is kind of where we were. On the higher time frames, I was expecting price to come down here, right? And bounce from this area. My first trade actually with the signal team, I'm gonna leave this here, just where it was. I mean, I know where the trade was at, so I can always put it back when we zoom into the 5 minutes. But anyways, so if you're looking at this on the 30 minutes, it's a little bit, let's zoom in. Now I just wanted to show you guys that demand floor we had, right, where we bounced off multiple times prior to market open, and that's where I was looking to target for buys, right? So let's zoom in onto the 5-minute candlesticks, right? Now this floor first, where you see here, where you guys, I don't know if you guys can see here, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it there so you guys can see what it is I'm talking about. This area here in particular, right, we had a 3-bar reversal on the lower time frames. We had bullish engulfings, right? So this is where my first trade actually took place here. So my first trade with the call team was here. My stops are down here, right? I had roughly like a 20 pip stop loss, I'm not gonna lie. So for the first trade, and my targets were all the way up here, my final targets, right? And then that got fucking stopped out. Literally, yo, I got stopped out with 2 points. So my stop loss was here. News came out, so I really usually don't trade news, and we didn't want to hold it during news. It did play out a little bit prior, right? And we took some profits, but it didn't even hit my take profit one. So I personally did not take profits. You know, the team, my Discord members took some profits there. This thing turned around on us, stopped me out of the trade, right? So I zoomed out right into the higher time frames and see what it is that was going on, right? So we waited for closure. So now if you zoom into the 30, we can see you had that beautiful 3-bar reversal on the 30, right? And a bullish engulfing. Now on the 5, this is where we took our trade right after this second bullish engulfing. So this is my first trade, right? I got stopped out, right? My second trade was, my entry was literally at the close. So let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see it a little better. At the close of this bullish engulfing here. So literally we had a bullish engulfing candlestick here off this level of, so let me show you guys right here. Let me go ahead and target it. Boom. So this candlestick right here. So we had bearish candle, right? We had a bullish candle, fully engulfed that candle off a level of demand, right? Off a level of support. So we took the trade right here, literally. We got in right after that bullish engulfing, and my stops were literally right underneath the wick of that bullish engulfing. So I had a tight stop loss at 28 pips. Honestly, if I'm not mistaken, I think my stops were a little like 14 pips away, because my stops were on the higher time frame. Anyways, right, my risk to reward was definitely there. We had like a 4.95 risk to reward on this trade. And yeah, my final target was all the way up here. This is a zone on the daily time frame that we have wicked from multiple times. So as you can see, if I zoom out to the daily time frames here, this is sauce, straight sauce for free for y'all guys. So as you look left, we have wicks that was left on this same area, wicks. Once we traded above, we pushed up, right? Traded above, pushed up, traded above, bounced, pushed up, traded below, we left wicks to that side, pushed down, right? So this was my final target for this specific trade. And I mean, this trade just played out so freaking beautiful, guys. And you know, me and the team caught it. They were live with me when I caught this trade. They made money too, man. Nothing makes me happier than everybody making some freaking cash, right? So I just wanted to break this trade down. Leave this video plain and simple, man. We were patient. We waited for market to show us direction, right? We took the buys off a demand zone, right? Off a support zone, right? Because that's what we do. We buy off supports. We sell off resistance, right? And yeah, we waited for closure on that 5 minutes. I didn't want to get faked out, especially after losing 20 pips on the first call, right? So losing 20 pips the first call, you know, sucked. So I waited for closure on this 5 minute. Then we had take profit 1 here. We had take profit 2 here. We had take profit 3 here. All of them smashed on the live. All of them smashed. Then I got off the live, left the run errand, right? And she just kept blowing through these roofs, man. She kept blowing through the roofs and hit my final TP. So we stopped out, and we got stopped out at 20 pips. We recovered 95 today alone. So I mean, we killed it with the team, and plus the first call was a risky call. We entered very small position sizes, and I love that about my team, man. They listen. As long as you listen, man, I'm here to help you guys make money. And this is plain and simple short video, just showing you guys, breaking down my trade for today. This is something I want to get used to doing quite often, just so that you guys kind of get the, you know, the feeling as to why I take a trade, where it is that I'm waiting for a trade to set up before taking it, and yeah, pretty much my reason as to why I take those trades. So I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your week, and if you guys want to see me trade live and get some signals, get some knowledge, click the link down below. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe.